final day of our 4th of July camping trip, and these two want to go on a hunt up in the trees. Are we going?
Find some witches?
They're trying to find the witch that Uncle Todd says lives up here. Okay, let's go.
You coming on a witchy poon hunt?
Yeah.
If you don't know what witchy poon is, I don't know where you've been, under a rock your whole life. It's something our family kind of made up.
Uncle Todd tells the kids stories about this witch that lives in the forest. And so every night they go on a witchy poon hunt, and it's really funny, guys. They
get so scared, and they're always obsessed with it.
I had those same memories though growing up, and they're some of my favorites. So
yeah, you guys like hunting for witchy poon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sticks that Cohen have might be the witchy poon sticks.
You have witchy poon sticks?
No, it might be it.
Oh.
It's not.
Are you witchy poon?
No.
Okay.
Scrapes.
Scrapes in the tree? Did you see any eyes in the trees? Oh, there's a bloody eye.
Oh, no.
Oh, man. Run! Run, she's watching us. We got some enchilada, breakfast style
enchiladas. Heck yeah.
from Nana.
So yummy.
We eat good when we camp, babe.
We do. Oh, yeah. What do you say to Grandma, Tiny?
Oh, love it. There's my protocol. There you go. You're welcome.
Just getting ready for a horseshoe tournament to start.
My hip
My
looks
mom's
like
got
this.
the list going. Hi,
Has a big
Coco.
bump in it.
Hi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lou. Happy birthday to you.
All right, let's draw.
Horseshoe tournament.
Got a good partner.
Okay, I'll try to get you.
I'm not playing.
You're not playing? Mine.
You listened to what I told you to do. You drew a good partner. Cody and Matt, guys. Everyone had to pay $5 to play. So there's $210, which means both, like the team that wins, each person gets $105. So
I've won it 2 years in a row.
Yeah,
I don't
you
want
have.
to jinx anything.
yeah, knock on something.
Touching the peg? It's not touching the peg. That's just a point. Let's get out of it.
Okay, Code's up. Code and Matt are playing Nana and my cousin Katie.
That's Chloe Kardashian.
Chloe Kardashian. That was nice. Did you guys say thank you?
Thank you, Katie.
We never lose a cornhole. These two are claiming that they can't lose at cornhole.
And we got popsicles because we win.
Are you having a good day? On to the next round. Were you playing some cornhole? How'd you do?
Good.
Good? That's awesome. Okay, Code's up again, and him and Matt are playing Jed's team. It should be a pretty good game.
Love you. What happened?
Richie Poon's a hunt.
Come on, babe.
Complaining about their pin. We'll let the officials take it.
There's There's a lot of smack talk going on over there. Come on, baby. What's on my head? Matt and Code lost. Jed and Matt might beat each other up now.
Matt, Cody's gonna make you buy lunches all next week.
Cody! Good! I did it!
Did you say
matching
thank you?
nails.
That was so nice.
And we're gonna clean the extra.
Perfect. Those are beautiful. Carson. Matt's all
money.
set. Counting the winners.
There's the championship round here.
They each get 105.
Nice. 15! Ringer. Saved him.
Good job, guys.
Good game.
So close, Bob.
Hey, look this way for
Oh,
the
look
picture!
at that.
Do a high five for a picture!
Yeah, winners right there. All lunchtime. Papa's cooking up all the burgers.
You want
here.
grilled onions, Code?
Oh, we probably should do that.
Huh?
Probably.
Little onion?
Yeah. Yummy. Alright guys, unfortunately Mom had to leave because Carson had an earache. So she's going to get him checked up. That was sad.
Hey, Carson. It's a good thing you're not getting that bed dirty. Let me see how to clean your hands.
Me and Coco, we're going to take down camp. We're going to head tonight. Coco's probably going to stay with Nana. I think we're all a little pooped out. It's been so much fun. We've just been go, 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 eating lots of yummy food, playing hard, a lot of sun. So we're going to take down our tents and everything and call it a night.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I had. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask.
Alright, just like that. Like we're never here. Kids are off now playing. It's a lot setting up a camp for a bunch of people. So glad Coda was able to help me. That was kind of his leverage to stay with Nana. So we're just gonna hang out, play for a little while, and then head back later tonight. Eaten alive by mosquitoes though. All over the place. I don't even know if we mentioned what we had for dinner. Ryan made an awesome stir fry. It was super good. But it's been so fun.
Fishing.
You went fishing? How was it?
Good. And I get to pet a fish.
You did?
Yeah.
Was that so much fun?
Yeah, and the fish wasn't that, like, slimy.
They weren't that slimy?
Yeah.
That's good. Did you catch any? No? Did you just have fun though?
I almost did.
That's awesome. Ken got to go fishing with her cousins, huh? So
And
lucky.
one was biting my pole,
Really?
and then it let it go, so I almost caught one.
So close. That's awesome. So Carson and Mom had to go home because his ear was hurting.
Really, Dad?
Yeah, so we're gonna head home tonight. So go have fun for a couple more hours, okay?
I want to go home.
I know it's hard. We've had so much fun, huh?
Living fast, over limit on the freeway, on no cops pass.
Oh my God!
Dip up for a minute, yeah, that's
Oh, it hit the board hard.
This is the board.
for too long. I gotta go.
Girls actually won.
They were at 12. You made one off. You were at 12. You had one.
They were at 12.
Alright.
You have to get it on the board. It's still 20,
Yours canceled it.
but it's still 20.
You guys are still 20!
It's 20.
It's not over yet. Winners.
It is. Oh, it is. Hi. How did you get that? That's Corbin. So, bro, this is Reagan. This is Hunter. We're playing Cornhole at 9. Actually, we're just watching. But, bye. Corbin, I think that's good.
You making marshmallows?
It's not good. Yeah, Corbin wants it golden.
Roasting marshmallows. Is it good?
Yeah. Like when I got a marshmallow and I'm like, okay, you ready? We gotta cook it. And then he's like, I don't want it burnt. I want it perfectly
He knows how
golden.
to eat them all, huh? Alright guys, made it home to these kiddos and mom and all. To Kenzie and
To us, you
Carson.
guys. We're all showered and clean and it feels amazing.
Oh yeah, Cars, how you feeling?
Good.
Good.
Much better.
What happened?
So guys, Cars started having ear pain in Lake Las Vegas and I was like, I think he might have swimmer's ear. Completely went away. And then again when we went to St. George, ear pain, and I'm like, yeah, it's definitely swimmer's ear. So again, went away. We gave him Tylenol, he was good to go, perfect. Well, it started hurting him this weekend up when we were camping.
Yeah.
And
he didn't want to miss anything, so he's like,
he was
I don't want to go, just...
He loved, you guys, this
Yeah.
is like our favorite weekend. He didn't want to go, so finally I convinced him. He actually came home with Cody yesterday. They tried to go to a clinic yesterday, but it was closed.
They're closed for the 4th.
Yeah, so they got like ear pain drops. But then today I was just like, nope. Like, if this is a serious
he's
infection,
not doing
I want to
good.
take care of it. He was in so much pain. So I took him to the hospital, and he has a pretty bad infection, you guys. Like, deep ear infection. Like,
Yeah, so they loaded him up with like antibiotics and...
yeah, we have
Lots of
antibiotic
good
drops
stuff.
and like oral antibiotics. So we got to do that for the next 10 days.
Feeling
huh?
much better though, huh?
They did say though that the infection was caused by swimmer's ear, which, so I guess I was kind of right. But I'm just happy that he's feeling better and that he will start to feel a lot better.
Yep. Coda and Canyon are still up camping with Nana and Papa. They'll be home tomorrow morning.
Can't shake it.
But we wanted to get home and check on them, make sure everything's good, and get a good night's rest.
And you
Sleeping on the
guys-
tent and on a hill was not very fun.
You don't get the best sleep. No, but you guys, tomorrow is the 4th of July. And we have a big 4th of July parade that we go to every year. It's tradition, huh? My cheerleaders will be in the parade, so I'll be there early helping out with them. But you guys, tomorrow's just going to be full of fun festivities. Just like the last 3 days have been.
Awesome. We
I
were
know.
all
Party
pooped,
time.
sunburnt, and partied out, but not yet.
I'm so sunburned, you guys.
But thanks for watching.
Bug bites.
Oh yeah,
A
lots
lot
of
of
mosquito
mosquito
bites.
Yeah.
You guys, we love you so much.
Bye. Oh, freaking mosquitoes stuck in my butt. I have so much bugs all over me right now. They're only going for my left eye. The bugs are on the spider just jumped on me again. Darn freaking spiders.